Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Begin by laying out the car in a 16:9 horizontal composition to control framing and perspective. Establish the overall length at about 4,990 mm and the wheelbase at 2,995 mm to match Q8 proportions. Lightly sketch the center line, roof arc, and the shoulder line that runs from the front fender to the rear. Place the wheels 20 inches in diameter where the wheel arches intersect the baseline. Block in simple boxes for the cabin, hood, and boot to keep scale while refining later. Focus on the defining Audi Q8 forms. Draw the octagonal single-frame grille, centered and slightly tilted back, to suggest forward motion and depth. Sketch the tapered matrix LED headlights that angle toward the grille and the strong shoulder line that flows above the doors. Indicate the glass area with a slightly raked roofline and short overhangs at front and rear to emphasize sportiness. Refine wheel arches, add 5 double spokes per wheel if desired, and mark panel gaps roughly 3 to 5 mm to maintain realistic spacing. Convert line work into shaded forms. Start with a flat dark base tone for the body, then build reflections with soft highlights to suggest metallic paint. Use a primary highlight roughly 3.5 mm wide along the shoulder line and thinner edge highlights around the windows and grille to convey curvature. Darken shadow areas under the car and inside wheel wells for depth, and add subtle ambient reflections on the hood and roof. Finish by cleaning panel edges, strengthening contrast at the grille, and erasing construction lines for a polished Audi Q8 render.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.